Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing Jigsaw from the Saw movies, yet another character from a movie I have not watched. And there are a ton of Saw movies, and I don't think I've watched a single one of them. But I saw his picture on Pinterest and thought he looked pretty creepy, so I thought I would give it a try. This is another look that I am trying again. The first time I did it, I was not happy with it, and now that I tried to make him look more like a puppet, it looked so much better. So here I'm just taking a pretty fair foundation and applying it all over, and today I do not have to cover my brows, so I'm just going to do normal foundation. I probably should have covered my brows because he doesn't really have any, or well, they actually kind of blend in with his face, if that makes any sense. But a couple of pictures I saw on Pinterest of this makeup, they had black brows, which they were kind of more on the glam side, but I thought that looked the best, so that's what I'm doing here, just filling them in with some black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a gray eyeshadow and contouring my nose to make it look a little slimmer, and then I'm going to take that same shadow and draw out all the lines. I always like to do that with a lighter shadow first just so I can see everything and make sure it's placed where I want it, and then I will go back and darken it up. Jigsaw has really big red eyes and they are black all the way around, so I'm just taking a black eyeshadow to smoke out my eyes. I'm going underneath as well as my lid. I did add some mascara, and now I'm doing the lips. I'm taking a red lip liner, and for the bottom lip it is normal, so I'm lining it like I normally would, and I also use that as a guide for the top. I'm just coming straight up from where I ended the bottom lip, and then I'm going to connect them by kind of scooping down. Hopefully that makes sense, and then I will just fill it all in. Next, I'm going to do the swirls on my cheeks, and I lost track of how many times I had to redo these. I just was not liking it. It was all crooked. I guess I was trying to go too fast, and I didn't like the color. That is my frustrated look, and normally I would edit this part out and just show y'all the part where I get it right. But I thought I would leave this in here and show y'all that I mess up too. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the second time I've redone this, and I think I redid almost every single look from my 13 days. So don't get discouraged if you are doing your own Halloween makeup, or if you're wanting to try and recreate any of these looks. Just keep going, do your best, and don't be too hard on yourself. That's one good thing about makeup, is it wipes off, so I'm putting on some more foundation to cover up that red, and as you can see, I did get it on the eyeshadow a little bit, but that's a good thing about smoky, messy eyeshadow. I can just take a blending brush and buff it out, and then I'm going to try again. I wasn't liking that shade of red, and I did not want to wipe it off and start all over, so I'm just taking a different red lip liner and just going over it, and that actually worked out so much better because I had a base. So I was kind of cleaning it up with this liner, and it made it the perfect shade of red. Now that I finally got the swirls like I wanted, I'm going back in under my cheeks and just shading a little bit more. and to finish off the look, I'm filling in my lips with a red lipstick, and then I'm going to take the red lip liner and go around the edges just to make sure they are nice and sharp. And after I add my red contacts and makeshift suit, this look will be complete. This is another really great option if you need a last minute costume. This makeup is easy and you don't have to go as detailed as I did. And for this suit, I'm doing quote marks that you cannot see. I did a white button-up shirt, a black blazer, and then you could do black pants. And then I got my bow tie off of Amazon, but I'm sure you could find one at like Walmart or Target if you need something last minute. So yeah, another really great option. But I really hope that y'all like this look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my last 2 days. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for my next video.